Hi guys, so I've got a Citroen C4 in today for a sagging headlining problem. Obviously I need to remove the headliner, so I'm going to show you how to do that. Now normally with most cars the sun visors would be holding the headliner in place. But with this car they move backwards and forwards, so they're not attached to the headliner, they're on this track here. So it's a little bit different. The headliner is held in a bit further back, so we've got a little trim piece here, one on this side here, and then the centre light cluster here. Now, the centre light cluster is over the top of these two pieces here. So the first thing I need to remove is the centre light cluster. So first thing is to remove the lens. So I'm just going to use a flat blade, see if I can get in. So there's only a couple of plugs on here, this white one and this black one, so we'll pull them out. We have these little metal tabs here, and that's what holds it in place. We have a Torx, I think, and it's Torx, yep, Torx 30. It's quite a big chunky screw. And that just comes off. I'm going to actually move into the back, remove everything in the back, because the back is just the grab handles. I think I can leave the B pillar trims in place, and I think I just need to remove the seat belts and C pillar trims and probably the light cluster that's in the back. So this here isn't attached to the vehicle, it's just the grab handles, and they have a cover on the bottom, and just needs popping open, and that's it. And behind there are two fixings. Cover back on so I don't lose the screw. I'll do the same with the other side. I'm now going to open the tailgate. So I now need to remove the rear light so I can unplug it. So this will be like the front. They're held in exactly the same way. Just like that. So again, the same metal tabs here, and it's just one plug. And that's out. So now I need to remove this middle seat belt. So this cover will come off. Pulls off. And there's one bolt. And that's a 16mm. Normally seat belts are 17s. Going to now remove the seals. Don't need to remove them all the way, just enough to actually get the headlining. Now I don't think I need to remove the C pillar trims. I think, and it feels like we're glued in at the back. We're glued in at the back. I hope we're not glued in at the front as well. I'm just going to run a... There we go. And that is off. I'm going to remove the seals around the doors. It's enough there. Same there. Same there. And the same there. I've just pulled away the A-pillar trims just here. I don't need any more than that. I should just be able to pull away there. So I pulled the headland away from the pillar trim here. We're loose here. We're loose on the other side. I'm gonna go into the back and do the same. I don't think I need to pull away the C-pillar trims. I might have to just bend them a little bit, but not pull them off completely. I hope we're not glued anywhere else. But like I say, with it being a French car, the French like to glue things in place. They sometimes glue the seat covers onto the foam, yep, which they've done on this one as well. Yeah, Citroens, Peugeots, they love the glue. So we're fully down there on that side. French cars love the glue. There is glue right in the centre, so I'm just going to do the same. Use a scraper, get inside and release that glue. Try not to damage the headliner. It wouldn't now surprise me once I've released it in the centre that there's glue on the front as well, which will be fun. So I'm just going to put my hand in and put the scraper in and get rid of the glue, or at least release it. That is now out. I have created a little bit of damage here to that spot there, which isn't great, but I'll see what I can do as far as doing a little repair on that. I'll cut this out so it's square, put a little bit of foam in, and then just put a little bit of fiberglass over the top, and that should stabilise that.